here comes the question for finding the straight line trend by using the method of least square. The question is, fit a straight line trend by the method of least square to the following data relating to the number of foreign tourists visited at Munnar Tourist Center between 2009 and 2015. Also, obtain the trend values. Get -2 because 2012 is greater. 2011 minus 2012 we get -1. 2012 minus same value is 0. 2013 minus 2012 is 1. 2014 minus 2012 is 2. 2015 minus 2012 is 3. So we got our x. Let us do the summation of x. So we get 0. We got 0 square. So this is our x. So square them. The square of 3 is 9. Square of 2 is 4. 1, 0, 1, 4 and 9. Sum them up to get summation of x square. Summation we get it as 28. So we got our denominator part for b. Now for numerator part we need to multiply x with y. So x is -3 into 300. So we get -900. 700 into -2 -1400. 600 minus 1 is -600. 800 0. 900 into 1 is 900. 700 into 2 is 1400 again, and 1000 into 3 is 3000. So summation of all these together we get as 2400. So since we got the summation of xy and also we have summation of x square, let's substitute to get the value of b. So 2400 divided by 28, we get the answer as 85.7. So we got a, we got b. Now the formula or equation is yt is equal to a plus bx. This is our equation of straight line trend. So now time to find the trend values. Now how to find the trend values? We have multiple values. So for multiple, each and every column we are going to separately or individually find the trend values. Then we are going to put them into this tabular form. We know that yt is equal to a plus bx. Yt is equal to, we know the formula, we know the value of a, that is 714.3 plus b is 85.7x. Now to find the values or trend values for 2009 till 2005, we are going to write the same pattern. So for 2009 becomes my yt, then a here will be same 714.3 plus b also the same 85.7 into x. To find the x, now what is my x is 2009 il namukku kittiya x etrayirunnu. So in 2009 the x I got is -3. So this we are going to substitute in our trend value equation. So that 3 I am going to put here, -3 into -3. This is multiplication because 85.7 into x is a equation. Similarly for 2010, again write down a and b, the value remains same, into the x value we are going to check it with the tabular column. From there we are going to check with, we have -2. This -2 we are going to substitute in our x2. Similarly for rest of them, 85.7 into -1 for 2012 into 0 into 3. 57 year 543 trend values. Now place these trend values into the tabular column. See, dear students, I have placed all the trend values according to the year. So we got all the YTs, but this is not the end. We have to find the trend value for a particular value which is given in the question. That is we have to find the estimated number of tourists in the year 2017. This is the second part of the question which was given. 2017 ila estimated number of tourists in namkarayana. So again write down the equation is y is equal to a plus bx, right? This is our equation. We have the value of a, we do have the value of b, we also have the value of x. Now to find x, t minus middle year. Here, since we are given the year as 2017 minus the middle year is 2012, 5 is our x. So we got the value of x as 5. Now we are going to substitute that into y of t is equal to a is 714.3 plus b is 85.7 into x is into 5 into 5. So let us plot the graph. For the graph, x-axis will be our year, y-axis will be the number of tourists. So we'll write it as number. So year starts from 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, finally 15. Number of tourists, we will start from 1000. Number of tourists, the highest number we have is 1000 and the least number we have is 300. So we can start it from 200. Okay, we can put it as a even number. So 200, 400, 600, 800 and then 1000. So in 2009, the number of tourists we had is 300. So that is somewhere between 200 and 400. Put a dot there. This is my actual value because this was given to me. Whatever is given to you or whatever data is given to you, that is your actual value. Okay, whatever you get or whatever you are finding is your trend value. This is basically to understand how to plot. And 2010, the given or the actual number of tourists is 700, which will fall between 600 and 800. In 2011 it is 600, 2012 it is 800, 2013 it is 900, somewhere between 800 and 1000, and 2014 it is 700, again between 600 and 800, and 2015 directly falls to 1000. So this is my actual value. Actual value we will be denoting it with a dash straight line. So this will form it as, start from the point here, we are going to denote it with dash, right? So join it with a dash like this. You have to plot it with pencil. Now we are going to plot for our trend value. The denotation for trend value will be dashes like this, close dashes. Name it as trend. Now trend means what? Whatever we had found now. So whatever whatever given in the YT or the last column of trend values that we are going to plot now. So the first value for 2009 was 457. 457 will fall between 400 and 600. For 2010, 543 between 400 and very close to 600. Then for 2011 we have 629 between 800 and 600. Then we have 2013 as 800. 2014 as 886. And lastly 2015 as 971. Now let us join it with the dashes. So it forms like this way. The trend line gives you a straight line. So dear students, this is how we are going to plot straight line trend with the help of least square method. We have a little more procedure to do, but very simple if you understand it. So please go through the sum properly. Try to practice this sum twice. For home assignment, you need to practice this same question twice, 2 times, along with the home assignment question number 5 and 6 from your textbook. Thank you.